Okay, welcome back to my channel, Master John GIS Academy. Now we are going to talk about polyline feature in ArcGIS Pro 3. Now this is the project that we have created. If you don't know how to create the project, you can see my previous video in this playlist. Yeah. Okay. Now we will add a polyline feature as we want to change the properties of the feature, which are the width or maybe the size and the color. Okay, we have maps here. Okay, we will add a spatial data. In this case, I would like to add the shapefile here, a road network. We can right click and add to current map, or we can drag it onto the contents here like that. Yeah. Okay. Right. And there are two ways to change the properties, which are colors and width. First, we can right click on the layers here. Okay, I say right click because I am a right-handed man. So I right click the button on my mouse to pop up the menu here. So if you are left-handed, please customize as per you require. All right, then I right click here and I select symbology here. Okay, there is the symbology, and I will click this. So now we have the predefined style that have created by the S3, by the ArcGIS Pro. So we can change, or maybe we can select one of these styles. So we don't need to, so we are not necessary to change manually by ourselves. If we see an appropriate style here, just click, maybe, I don't know, maybe highway. Okay, take a look at the display, the map behind this dialog. It changed automatically. See, this is the RAM, maybe the boundary. So it changed automatically. Okay, then we have properties here. Now in these properties, we can change it manually. I will drag it a little bit like that. Yeah. So we can change the color, maybe red, and we see it is not changed automatically because we need to click apply here. Okay, in this manual settings, we can increment or decrement the line width, maybe 2, and apply to thick, and we can change 1.5, and we hit tabs to 1.5 point, apply, and there I will decrement 1 and apply. Okay. And we have another icon here for additional setting here. Let's take a look brief. Now this is the appearance, same like this, appearance, and we have offset effect, dash, caps and join, but we are not going to talk about this additional menu. Maybe we can see it briefly, just a quick look there. Okay, and that is the first way. Oops. So different from ArcGIS desktop. In ArcGIS desktop, if we double click the layers, it will pop up the menu, something like this. But layer power is the same, but as we see, there's no symbology here. Okay, so in ArcGIS Pro, we need to specific point to symbology menu. All right, and the second one, to change the properties of polyline feature, is we click directly to symbol here. It's a pop-up info is shown up. Click to modify the symbol, and we click, don't double click, just single click, and there it directly goes to the properties, the manual that we can see. This is also the gallery, the same as we right click here, symbology, and see, wait, okay, here, look, it's the same, automatically change, and we can change it manually, but first let's change to the, okay, the normal one, I guess. Yeah, the normal one, properties, and here we can change to the color that we like, something maybe like, I don't know, purple, and apply. Ooh, wow. Oh, okay, okay, maybe this is, it's better here, but we will change to line width of 1, and we click apply. Okay, that's much better, and we can also see the other additional menu. More and less is the same. Okay, there are two layer here, two style here that stacks one to another. Okay, if we uncheck this and we apply, yeah, it's something like that. It's interesting, isn't it? Okay, then we click apply. Okay, if you don't want to see these dialogues anymore, you can close, and also we can close catalog. And if you want to show the catalog panel again, just click view and catalog pane here. Okay, I think that's how to change the properties, which or width or size and the color of the polyline features in ArcGIS Pro 3. Thank you.